Hello guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm just gonna show you Gymshark coupon code 2023. Which coupon codes are will be the best if you are logging into your Gymshark website. So I'm just telling you all the coupon codes, that is 10%, 20% discount, 30%, and up to 50% discount code on this website. So basically guys, where we will find these type of discount codes, so they will be found on a website called, let me just click on my Safari browser here, and you just have to go on your search bar. In search bar, just enter Gymshark discount code 2023 because it needs to be latest. Just click on that, and the first website is Reuters. Just click on that website, and here you will see a lot of discount code, that is 10%, 15%, and 60%, up to 60%. So this is all the discount code here. You just have to click on the view details option here, and then click on the coupon code here, and after that you can see the coupon code is now here, that is TND38, and it will give you an extra 10% discount on your Gymshark order. So this is all about this website. This is all about the coupon codes, where you can find all these coupon codes. So this is basically a process in which you can just select the coupon codes from the Google website. I'm not saying these all coupon codes are working, but I'm just saying that out of 100 there will be almost 20 to 30 coupon codes are already working and real though. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you like, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you.